Alright, guys. Okay, now that I'm recording, we're gonna do a plugin review on Red Nova by Cicada. This is actually like an AI-powered plugin. It has like intelligence onto it, but then it's kind of like a spatial compressor, an AI compressor, and a VCA compressor all in one. So if y'all remember the Super Sitter plugin, it's actually a control on this plugin too. Show you all how it sounds. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? So you can saturate your vocals. This is supposed to be good for your mixing. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? Let's go with the Super Sitter to see what it does. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? Alright. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? But it listens to your vocals and then it just does what it's supposed to do. Ratio. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? So you can use this with or without the saturation. It's supposed to sound good on a mix. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? I'll keep bringing you all these videos. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? Let's play with the release, mix, and output to see how it sounds. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? It's a good plugin. Alright, we're gonna try this with another plugin. Let's try this with Ridgewalk, see how it sounds. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, shawty from Atlanta, huh?
No matter what you put this on, it's gonna make your vocals sound good because it's AI powered.
She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta.
You can turn the effect off too by hitting bypass.
From Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh?
This is to lock the effect in.
Shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from
No
Atlanta,
matter
huh?
what
She be on a
presets you
nigga
go
lab, no
through,
Satan, shawty from
you can
Atlanta,
save
huh?
presets on
She be
your
on a
channel.
nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan, shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Satan. Alright, now we're going to try this with another one of my favorite plugins. Crap, I went past it. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? Bad little shawty from Atlanta, huh? She be on a nigga lab, no Santa, huh? That kind of works, actually. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha.
It sounds like it sounds more whiting. It's not exactly a vocal doubler, but it creates that sound with those particular presets.
Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha.
Chorus drive, let's try that.
Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha.
Yeah, that sounds crazy as fuck though. So as y'all know, this is actually like the first plugin in the Red Nova series.
I don't know if it's gonna be a series of like different compressors or different effects or whatever, but there's gonna be more plugins in the series, as far as I know, because the description says that's the first of its series, which indicates that there's gonna be more of these plugins in that series. We already have like a whole series of amplitude plugins. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. I'll dead ass use this in my next song though. But then I gotta like be selective of what preset I want. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha.
I'm not going through all the presets in Reels, but we're gonna try this with another plugin. Let's see how it sounds with Comeback Kid. Those of you who watch my videos, Comeback Kid is a delay plugin that'll make the quieter parts of your vocals louder and the louder parts of your vocals quiet. So if your vocals are quiet as fuck in a mix, you might as well use this plugin.
Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa,
Okay.
Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. I would be lying to y'all if that didn't sound like a telephone effect, because it kind of does. Because when you combine this preset with the first preset, if you use the first presets on both of these plugins, it will make a telephone-like effect though. I never actually paid attention to that though. Because it's obvious that the Red Nova Spatial Compressor goes well with this plugin. It does. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, she be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha.
That's crazy as hell. You cannot even hear the delay on this plugin. It's like subtile.
Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha.
Y'all ever heard that one?
Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha.
Like this and this sound good together. Like I'm not even gonna front with y'all.
Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha.
Alright, now we're gonna add another plugin to this. We're gonna try it with another Cicada plugin. We're gonna do something with one of Cicada's previous plugins. Is it really 5FX? I'm confused. Because then, truth to be honest, Super Sitter is here. The Super Sitter control is here. But then, to be fairly honest, it's also its own plugin. So y'all can see over here. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Because you can use the Super on here, and then you can also use it as its own standalone plugin. So just putting that out there for y'all, just in case y'all didn't know. It's kind of like the same thing with Magic Switch and Super VHS. Magic Switch is a part of Super VHS, but then you can just use the. I don't really I don't tweak Magic Switch. I mean, not Magic Switch, Super VHS that much. Because the thing is, if you have Super VHS, you don't really need the Magic Switch plugin. I'm not gonna tell you that you don't need the plugin, because then I only kind of use that for the Super VHS thing. But then some of y'all in the comment section are probably be like, Kadar, just use Magic Switch instead of just using Super VHS and Magic Switch, since they're technically the same plugin. Well, they are, but the difference is that Magic Switch is just a button, but I'm not going to get into it. It's not about this video anymore. Alright. But then Super Sitter was actually its own plugin before the Red Nova series started. I saw this plugin yesterday and I was like, you know what? I'm about to do a video on this one. Let's try with the Infected Mushroom plugin. I haven't used this bad boy in a while. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Like, this is a perfect plugin for mixing. I actually used this in my song Idiot to Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. You see how whiting it sounds? I think it's supposed to be a chorus plugin. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Now I gotta add another effect. See how it sounds like Banchino? This has no presets on it. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. But then the thing is, too, Banchino slaps on mixes. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. You just gotta learn how to use the plugin correctly. Like, Banchino is a useful tool. It's that you just gotta learn how to use it correctly in the mix. But like I said before, Super Sitter is like a control for this plugin, but then it's also its own plugin if y'all just want to use it by itself. Let's see what the oscillator plugin. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. I think this is Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. I honestly don't know how the hell this plugin works. This one here. I never. Oh, it's a spectrum. Oh, it's a spectrum analyzer. Oh, I feel stupid now. Let's try it with Weeping Wall. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on Atlanta. Bad little shawty from 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 Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. But y'all can see how this plugin works. Like, it's a good plugin. Y'all should definitely get this plugin. I'm gonna leave a link to the description. But before I end off this video, I'm gonna see how it works with the other plugins by the developer. Because I'm not ending off this video without doing the rest of his plugins. Let's try Echo Flower. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. We're gonna do the rest of his plugins. Turn this off. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. We're gonna see how it sounds with his other plugins. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Alright, I'm gonna turn this one off and then add another plugin to it. Because I'm not gonna delete all the effects and just keep one. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no. I don't know what happened. Maybe if I cut it off. Bad little shawty from Atlanta. Alright. I don't know what happened with Pulse Ripper. That usually doesn't happen. Bad little shawty from Atlanta. Like, I seen this plugin, and I decided to, like, get most of these. Most of the plugins I have, I don't use in my music, but I use for review purposes, just to let y'all know. But not every plugin I have, I did a review on. Because then that would be over 700 videos of me doing that. I mean, I mainly did that on my other channel, which is no longer on YouTube. Probably, I think I posted my Super VHS plugin review somewhere. So if I can find it, I'll probably re-upload it on this channel. Alright, now we're gonna do Compressor. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Now we're gonna end it off with all the effects combined.
Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no Santa, ha. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap, no. Bad little shawty from Atlanta, ha. She be on a nigga lap. I'm just gonna stop the video right here. Get the plugin. It's $7.99 on the App Store. I requested for a redeem code for this plugin because I wanted to do a review on it. And I did a review on it. I'm gonna post this whenever I can. I usually just wait until there's actually a video on the plugin and then it's released and all that shit.